Hello again. This is a video to show you how to change the battery in a Geonaut watch from Decathlon. So this is a Geonaut watch. First of all, we put something smooth like a glove to avoid scratching the watch. Then we need a Phillips 1.5mm screwdriver. We proceed to unscrew these 4 screws. Okay, now the cover must come out. We see the movement. We take out this plastic piece, comes out easily. And we see here the battery that must be changed. So we see that the battery is held by this piece here, all this. That doesn't let the battery go out. We need to loosen this screw here. This is a flat screw. So we change the screwdriver head for a flat one. We try with a 1.5mm. It seems to be too big, so we will try with a smaller one. 1mm. This fits well. I'm unscrewing the little screw. We don't need to take it out totally because then it's a bit difficult to put it back. Now the battery already comes out. I will put in the description of the video what's the battery you need. Like this. And we screw back this. It seems to be good. We put back this plastic piece. Remember, this little arm is over the battery to push it down. Now we put back the back cover. I need the Phillips one again. It's better if we screw one and then the diagonal one next, to keep the pressure in the gasket even. And that's all. That's how to change the battery in a Geonaut Decathlon watch. Thanks for watching. Bye.